Hello boys and girls, this is Mohit Agarwal here, and yes, a major twist in the CMA exams in the climax. When the results are supposed to be out on 29, there is another twist in the climax. Bhai, let me tell you boys and girls, yes, it is going to raise anxiety level of the student. Yes, it is going to make you restless, but at the end of the day, do not lose the inner calm and don't lose the hope, and always remember that come what may, I will always be there for you, standing for you, and will always be motivating you and holding your hands tightly. Remember that. So this twist is regarding the exams which took place in the January-February 2021. The petition has been filed, writ petition has been filed in Supreme Court, not regarding the future exams but regarding the examination that has already taken place in the January-February 21 exams. Now the petitioner who happens to be, as per this article happens to be a CMA final student himself, has filed a writ petition with Supreme Court under article number 32 of the Constitution of India. So Constitution has given everyone right to file a writ petition under article number 32, and so this student who is well aware about the Constitution of India has filed a writ petition under article 32 asking Supreme Court to intervene and cancel the exams which took place in the January-February home-based online exams. Why? Because according to him, there was mass cheating, and the institute has not taken any action against those unscrupulous students. Now, I don't know at all that how come we know that whether institute has taken action or not, because institute is not going to come and announce, look, he has been banned, look, he has been banned, these are the names of the students who have been banned. Okay, this can only be submitted to Supreme Court once Supreme Court directs CM Institute that now you give your opinion. Now you give when Supreme Court show causes institute that why we should not listen to this petition and why we should not cancel, then CM Institute obviously will be submitting the proofs and actions that it has taken. So unbiasedly, let me be very unbiased and read out this article to you. So boys and girls, do watch the full video because it is very important for you guys and even for the future students who are going to continue with the CMA course, whether the exams are going to be held offline or online. So as you can see, writ petition has been filed in the Supreme Court seeking to cancel the home-based. The petition seeks to cancel home-based, not the center-based, home-based online tests of inter and final level which were held by CMA Institute in January-February 2021. Petition filed by student of CMA final course who alleges widespread malpractices in the exam, which means cheating. According to the petitioner, online home-based exams are conducted by the same vendor who also conducted the online home-based exam for NLAT, National Law Admission Test, which Supreme Court had set aside. Now, it is a very strong reference that the petitioner has given, that when Supreme Court can set aside NLAT test, National Law Admission Test, which was home-based online and which was prepared by the same vendor which has conducted, same vendor through which institute has conducted our CMA, Inter and Final Home-based online exam. So the petitioner has given reference, the online home-based exams were conducted by the same vendor which had already failed in providing reliable remote proctoring for National Law Admission Test of the September 20, which was ultimately set aside by the Supreme Court in the case of Rakesh Kumar Agarwal and another versus National Law School of Indian University, Bangalore and others. And Supreme Court had cancelled National Law Admission Test in the September last week on the grounds that home-based online tests failed in insurance, transparency, fairness and integrity, which are essential in the exam process. So on 18th October, the petition says that CMA Institute took the decision to conduct the home-based online test. The petition says that decision was taken overlooking the reservation expressed by 3 senior members of the council regarding the home-based online test. In reply to application under RTI, CMA informed 65% students have opted for center-based examination. Petitioner again alleges the mass-scale cheating that has taken place, and the petitioner is now asking that the online home-based exam should be set aside just like it was set aside by Supreme Court in NLAT. Okay, so this is the petition all about. Now, what's the road ahead? The road ahead is that Supreme Court Supreme Court will take its call whether such petition should be entertained or outrightly rejected. Supreme Court will take its call, and if it is accepted, it will show cause the institute why the examination should not be set aside. And if institute can produce material evidences that yes, actions have been taken against those found guilty, then obviously the exams Supreme Court will surely not set aside, right? And it's let me tell you, it's very annoying, very annoying for those students who gave their exam center based or home based fairly with full transparency and integrity. It's very annoying. Had I been the student, it would have been very annoying for me if I would have given the exams fairly. So what about those fair students who had studied, slogged day in and day out and gave their exams very fairly and transparently by bearing all the hardships? What about those? They will surely not want the exams to be cancelled and set aside. So Supreme Court should also consider all those factors before passing on any judgment. This is my opinion. Stay connected to the channel, boys and girls. Do subscribe the channel and spread the video like wildfire to all the CMA students. And I will be, even if I am alone, I will be standing with CMA students and supporting CMA fraternity. This is my words for you guys. Take care, all the best. Bye-bye.